Today we talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your Threads app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down here, click on this sign down here, and you just click on it. It's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. So then here you go above this sign, click on it. Then it's going to take you to next pair. It's going to show for you like this. You just click here on account. When you just click here on account, it's going to take you to next pair. It's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on media quality. You just come here to upload high quality here, clicking this sign. Like you see this color show for us, that's mean it's enabled with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.